What's going on YouTube? My name is Jonathan and today I have a very special video for you today. I received a package. A mysterious one from Amazon. So we're going to open it. So I have a very special knife for this. Got it straight all the way from my kitchen. It's not even mine. My own roommate collects knives. Isn't that wild? So let's just crack right open into this. In case you guys want to send anything to me, this is my address, which is very nice. Go ahead and send me some stuff. Alright, let's just do it. Alright. So immediately inside we have a letter. Dear reader, I have given you a special gift that is near and dear to my heart. This is an orange that has been sitting on my desk for 5 months, and I would like you to have it. Sincerely yours, Anonymous. Okay, so whoever this person is, they sent us an orange. Wow. Just take a quick look at this really quick. This orange is most definitely rotten. Like, you can see where it's orange over here and it's brown right here. This orange has definitely been here for a long while. Pretty gross. I think that we should eat it. I think I'm going to eat it. Let me just get this out of the way. It's not even like a circular shape anymore. Like it has like parts of it that are caved in and gross. And over here it's not even brown, it's more white. Well, here we go. I have a special plate here, straight all the way from Christmas. And another special knife. This one's bigger. This also belongs to my roommate who likes to collect knives. Alright. Oh no. It's not even like tender. It's very squishy when you cut into it. Ooh, ew. Still smells like an orange. Well, on the inside, you can see that the outside here, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but right over here is darker than the inside. I'm guessing that's because it's rotten. That would be a good reason. Ooh. I just cut myself. Hang on. Okay. Whew. Now that my moment of terror is over, let's continue. So, as a little note, do not hold items in your hand while you're cutting down into them, because that might hurt a little bit. I got a flesh wound from it. It's not worth it. So yeah, the outside is really squishy. So squishy, in fact, that I'm literally squeezing the entire orange in my hand, and no juice is coming out. because it's that old. All right. Ooh. So I'm going to use this one because this one looks cleaner. So anyway, so here is our wonderful orange. I think that it would be very nice of us, to the people that sent me that, if I consume this right now. I have a garbage right here, just in case I need to spit it out. Filled with lots of tissues from my tears that I used. Okay, here we go. If I die, this is still getting posted, so here we go. Oh, it tastes so nasty. Oh. It's not sweet at all. It actually tastes really gross. Thank you to whoever sent this to me. But don't ever send me anything ever again. What? Oh, it stuck in my teeth. Anyway, so this has been my first unboxing video. So I hope that you guys hated it as much as I did. Until next time. Peace.